Would you put all large societal movements in the context of religion, or how would you deal with societal movements that didn't fit one of these three things?
Excellent question. Oh, what an excellent question. My answer is that if any movement seeks to answer the question of what is the meaning of our existence, or how should we behave toward one another, or what is our destiny, or is life worth living, that is a religious question. And so we may ordinarily consider some of these movements merely ideologies, but if they move to the question of meaning, then we have the right to analyze them using the most sophisticated theological techniques. Just because I've presented these three families of faith, I've tried to be even-handed, that does not mean we have no right to make judgments. We are obliged to make judgments on the basis of the best information we have in our own personal experience, so that we can say this might be better than that. Just because something calls itself religion doesn't mean it's any good. Our world is in a mess today, and people are using religion to justify plowing into the World Trade Center, or suicide bombing, or killing doctors who perform abortions. So simply saying I'm doing it for a religious reason does not mean we no longer have the right to criticize or analyze or judge them. Certainly we do. And my problem with our secular world today is that as a society we are not asking these big questions. Instead we're asking, what is the best brand of toothpaste? What is the best deodorant so I can get a date? What car should I drive? Those are fragmentary questions. And unless they are pulled into the larger question of meaning, we live secular, fragmented, broken lives. And I think that studying the religions of the world today can reawaken us to address these fundamental questions, without which our lives are shallow. How do you recover the sacred? Well, another way of getting at it is to ask yourself, where have you been powerfully moved, touched? What experience have you had which revealed some transcendent meaning? What cause can you give yourself to that will benefit other people?